As we approach the long-awaited summer months, there's one downside to the heat: the rise of our utility bills. While the average cost of running a ceiling fan takes up a fraction of the cost of running your air conditioner for an hour, it's difficult to compare these two types of cooling effects as they are completely different. Moving air helps you feel cooler by assisting your body's natural cooling process through evaporation. Moving air helps to make moisture evaporate from your skin and in turn makes you feel cooler. This means that a ceiling fan doesn't actually lower the temperature of a room, so leaving one on in an unoccupied room has no effect and therefore wastes energy. Although a ceiling fan's job is to keep you cool as a best practice, we recommend using both your air conditioning and ceiling fan together to help keep your home's interior temperature and energy bill low. Contact us today at carolinacomfortair.com to learn more about how our maintenance plans will help you save money every season.